Hello friends, welcome to Honeybunch. Today we are going to see a very healthy and protein rich salad, chickpea salad. This salad will be so fulfilling, so makes it a perfect choice for weight loss recipes. Now let's see how to make this. Soak dried chickpea overnight. If you want to reduce the soaking time, soak it in boiling water. Now let's drain up the water and add it to a pressure pan. Add enough water, salt and pressure cook for 2 whistles. Do not overcook the chickpea. It should not be mushy. I am taking the boiled chickpea in a larger bowl and I am going to add vegetables. Today I am showing you just an idea of what can be added to this salad. You can always add any vegetable of your choice. Today I have taken sprouted mung bean, chopped tomato, chopped green capsicum, chopped red capsicum, chopped white onion. You can also add red onion, some shredded carrot, also some boiled sweet corn. Now we need to prepare dressing for our salad. For that I have taken here extra virgin olive oil. You can also use peanut oil or any vegetable oil of your choice. Add some salt and add some ground black pepper. You can also use white pepper. I am adding juice from half a lemon. You can also use white vinegar or apple cider vinegar. Mix them all together and add it to the salad. On the top, I am adding some chopped black olives and some chopped jalapenos. Finally, add some fresh coriander leaves or cilantro and enjoy. This is a very healthy and fulfilling salad. I always make this as one of the appetizer for any party or gathering we have in our place, and it's a hit among my friends. I hope you will also enjoy this healthy and easy salad. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.